Good morning, students. Be safe, be responsible. Now it's time to revise your chapter number first from your book, An Alien Hand. So, name of the chapter is The Tiny Teacher. Okay. So, in this video, I will tell you the whole chapter in a summarized way. Okay, the whole summary of the chapter. In next video, we will discuss the question answers and book exercises. Okay. So this chapter, The Tiny Teacher, actually it's tell about the dedication of one of the smallest creature on the earth, which is called the ant. Okay, so the ants perform their duties in the form of learners, nurses, workers, soldiers and trainers also. So they live in ant hill, having hundreds of the small rooms and passages for all ants. Okay, ants use their feelers. You can see in this picture, this is these are their feelers, that one. Okay, so ants use their feelers or antennae, we can call it antennas, to talk to each other. Okay, what is the use of this? To talk to each other, and they give messages to the other ants coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. Okay, out of many kinds, the black and red ones are most common. Black and red are most common ants. Okay, you can also see in your home, whenever you see ant, they are of black and red ones. Okay, they belongs to that category. Their comfortable house is called nest or ant hills, are intelligently planned colonies with hundreds of little rooms and passages over there. Okay, different rooms have different purposes to solve. All the rooms which they have, all they have different purpose, different reasons to have. Okay, to solve the problems. In some rooms, queen ant lays eggs. Some other rooms are used for as nurseries for the young ones. Young ones called basically grubs. The young ones of ants called grubs. So workers have their own quarters while soldiers live in their barracks. Some are used for storing food, and some are used for storing food, for gathering food. Okay, so ants live a very disciplined life. Actually, this chapter, the whole chapter is tell about the disciplined life of ant. They live a very disciplined life. No ant ever lives in others' rooms. No soldier ant goes to search food. Whatever their responsibility are, they did the same. Only the same which they have, which responsibility they have. No ant ever harms a grub. Ants live a very cooperative and peaceful life. So each one does its share of work intelligently, bravely, and never fights with the other members of the group. And the queen ant, the queen ant have had some different responsibilities. Okay, so queen ant is the mother of the entire population of the colony. It has a lifespan of 15 years. Okay, it lived maximum time among them. So there is so much for us to learn from these tiny teachers, like hard work, their sense of duty and their responsibility, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land. They are very loyal, wafadar, to the land where they live without fighting amongst each other, thus living together peacefully. So that is all about the tiny teacher called ant. Okay, I hope all of you have understood the chapter. Now you have to learn the question answers, and one more time you have to read the whole chapter. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, students.